Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is February 22nd when I'm recording this, and so far the pullback that I've been looking for has happened. We're definitely getting it this week. Yeah, let's see. Tuesday was pretty big bit down day, but we saw that coming. The Moxie traders and I we've been talking basically about this inverse trampoline move here on the hourly chart. It definitely took a few days for this thing to come to fruition, but we saw it last week. I want to say Thursday, Friday, basically that little move right there. And yeah, so what I've been talking about, looking for price to at least come back down to the daily 50. So far, so good. So there we are. And you could also see that was a 50% retracement from the low to the high. And then also on the higher time frames, you can see here on, let's look at the monthly, and then I'll show you on the weekly here too. That came down to right on the weekly 21 EMA and then right back down to the monthly 10. So we're going to have to just see how far down this thing wants to go as far as this whole pullback situation. Let me show you one other thing. Let me get this. I've been drawing some trend lines here. And I'm just noting, very interesting, that this particular trend line, we are right back on it, which also coincides with the daily 50 and that 50% retracement. So yeah, at this point, I would be expecting some sort of bounce. You know, we've been very oversold here on the hourly chart. It looks like it's trying to hammer out some sort of bottom on the lower time frames. And now the next big question is this a low? Is this into support, or is this just the beginning of a bigger move down? So I would kind of expect some sort of slight bounce or sideways movement, and then that's the question. Do we kind of hammer out in support and we go higher, or are we going to kind of move up and then do we go lower? And if we do go lower, is that again, are we still seeking out support, or is it going to be into more weakness? We really don't know, but that's kind of what I'm watching. And we definitely nailed this move down here to the daily 50. So yeah, we're going to be doing a market update for the bull bear situation March 1st. Guys, look out for that advertisement. Just messaging so that you guys can check it out. It's going to be free. We'll do it live right after the market, March 1st. All right, everyone. Thanks again, and talk to you then.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.